What's going on, guys? Got another unboxing here. Got this package here. This is a Zagone Studios mask. I got this off of eBay. I believe I got this from the same seller that I got my last Zagone Studios mask from. And again, I got this for 95 cents. The starting bid was 95 cents, nobody else bid on it. So 95 cents plus $6 shipping, so $6.95 total. Not a bad deal. Let's go ahead and crack on into this and check it out. Yeah, so 95 cents plus $6 shipping. I couldn't pass this up. I love Zagone Studios masks. I've been on their website lately looking, and they have a lot more masks than I thought they did. Their selection is just crazy. They have a lot of just page after page of really cool masks. But again, 95 cents plus $6 shipping off eBay, used, but looks like it was in great shape. Paper. Definitely a really cool mask. This mask is called Whispers. Whispers. I don't know why they called it that. It's just called Whispers. But you can still get this on the Zagone website, but not with this paint up. At least I didn't see it with this paint up on the site still. The one they have on their site is called the Whispers Deluxe, and it's the same mask, but it has a different paint scheme. It's got like some green and stuff on it. And I remember seeing this mask a few times a few years back. I don't remember where. I don't know if it was on the internet or what, but definitely a very cool mask. It's also either the same or very similar to the mold that they used for a mask way back when they first became Zagone. And it's a little different, but look, the sculpt is very similar. It has hair on the top, just kind of creepy, straggly hair, just kind of make it look creepy or whatever. And then has a nice hood made out of really soft fabric. It's got good size to it. So yeah, Whispers. I don't know. The one on the website is called the Whispers Deluxe. I don't know if this one has a, is the Whispers bloody variant, or if it has a name, or if maybe this is just the standard Whispers. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't see one like this on their website with this paint up. Still very cool. Nice thick pull. The quality, like all of Zagone Studios masks. Yeah, I said Whispers from Zagone Studios. I got this used for 95 cents. Couldn't pass up the deal. It has it's just the face is all rubber. The back is the shroud, the hair. And it has a elastic band on the inside. And this was sculpted by Bill Wystrom, or Billy Strom, however you want to say it. There is the tag, the tag. There's the tag right there, and there's his initials. By Bill Wystrom. So that's cool that he sculpted this. He does a lot of sculpting for Zagone. The tag says, made by Zagone Studios, USA. Bye, all rights reserved. There is not a year on it though, but I don't know how old this is. I think they've been making this one for a while. This one could be from the 90s. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe early 2000s, mid 2000s. I'm not exactly sure when this particular one was out, but still is a very, very cool mask. I'll throw it on real quick so I can show you guys what it looks like while it's worn. Yeah, so it's very comfortable. It fits really well. It hooks kind of right under the chin, like a lot of Zagone masks. Yeah, really fits well. The eye holes are perfect. They don't bother you. It doesn't obstruct your vision or anything. Yeah, very cool mask. I couldn't pass up the deal when I saw it. I had to grab it. Zagone Studios, they make really quality, great masks. Really high quality. Their website's still open. You can get a lot of their masks still. I think they're bringing back some of their older masks using the original molds and things like that. But as of right now on the website, they have just a lot of selection, a lot of different things to look at. Here's the other one, I believe. I didn't check, but I'm pretty sure it's from the same seller. When I got this one, I did a video on this. And again, I think this one was 96 cents. This one was 95 cents. Plus shipping, so yeah, very good deal. Can't beat that. Zagone Studios Whispers mask. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.